Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful marbled royal icing decorated sugar cookies. To ice the cookies, we're going to be using really fun, easy and quick dipping method. However, there is one drawback to dipping method, and that's air bubbles. To help remove air bubbles, you can do few things. You can cover your icing with a damp paper towel for about 20 minutes. During this time, air bubbles will rise to the surface, and then you can pop them by simply swirling the icing around gently. Or you can also bang the bowl onto the work surface. If you still see air bubbles on your iced cookies, simply pop them with a needle tool. And for a recipe for my gluten-free sugar cookies, you can check the description box. I'm going to include a link in there. Today, however, I'm not going to be using colored royal icing to make marble designs. I will be using edible paint, which is super easy to make and really fun. So let's get started. Add a little bit of water into your gel food colors that you're using, and then mix it well with a paintbrush. I find that dipping method works really well with 10-second consistency royal icing. So into a bowl, add 10-second consistency royal icing. I'm using my fresh lemon royal icing. You can find a recipe on the blog. Link is in the description box under the video. Dip a paintbrush into your edible paint and then splatter it over the icing. Let the icing drip for a little bit and then place it on a flat surface and repeat. Wiggle the cookie a little bit so the icing covers the whole surface. And again, if you still see some air bubbles, simply pop them with a needle tool. After that, we're gonna let the icing dry completely. To decorate the top, I'm gonna be using Stencil and medium stiff navy blue royal icing, and I'm going to secure my stencil into a stencil holder. And then we're gonna spread navy blue royal icing over the stencil. Notice it's an edge stencil, so I'm gonna try to avoid going over the edge with my palette knife. To color my navy blue royal icing, I just like to use royal blue food coloring, and I add a touch of black to it. Remove the residue on the sides, just scrape it off, and then we're gonna let the icing dry completely. Since this is a really thin layer of royal icing and is thicker consistency, it will take only maybe 2 hours or so. And then you can repeat with the same stencil, or here I'm using my rose stencil, which is super pretty. And if I remember correctly, I used this stencil on my Beauty and the Beast gingerbread house. I think I used it on a roof. Now I am going to add some silver leaf just for some sparkle. Silver leaf sticks to pretty much everything, so be sure not to touch it with your hands or you'll end up having silver hands. And that's how you can make these beautiful marbled royal icing decorated sugar cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you have suggestions for future tutorials, don't forget to let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.